So let's take a look at how to read existing Excel workbook and open the content from that worksheet and output that on command prompt. So for this, we are going to make use of Openpyxl module of Python. You can install this by typing pip install Openpyxl. If you have any issues with credentials on pip, you can use python-m, then pip install Openpyxl. Okay, so once you install this, you can open text editor, create, let's say, a file named demo.py. Now here I'm going to open from Openpyxl import, and here we have to mention workbook. Okay, or if you don't want to specifically create a new instance of workbook, you can simply type in import and then Openpyxl. That should be enough for just reading. Okay, the next thing is creating book variable, which will be calling Openpyxl. Okay, and then using load underscore workbook, and here you can make use of, let's say, your file Devnami demo 02.xlsx. Okay, and after that you can simply create instance for sheet, and here you are going to read this active sheet. Okay, now we have to also take some content from, let's say, first cell. So I'm going to use A1 and then sheet, and here I want to read from A1. Then let's say A2, and I want to use sheet and then A2. Okay, you can go on and add additional for respective cells. Currently we have A1, A2, A3 only, and B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3 only. Okay, so we can only read those specific cells. Now for print, I'm going to use A1 dot value, also A2 dot value. So these two values we are going to read, and it should be printed on our command prompt. Make sure that this path is also pointing to the right file. Okay, so in my case I have this demo.py and this file Devnami demo02.xlsx on same path. Okay, so I'm going to open command prompt, and here I'm going to type in Python, then demo.py. It should take some time and it should output 1 and 2. If you now open the file, you can see that the A1 has value 1, A2 has value 2, and these two values are printed on screen. Now you can use for loop to read through entire sheet and output the content on command prompt if you have larger data. In my case, this was small data, so I only selected these two individually and printed them on command line. So this was a short demonstration on how to read content from Excel workbook and print them on command prompt.